garlic salad. I wish you could smell a vision, that you could smell the garlic being released. Okay, that's done. I'm getting ready to add my tomato juice. Let me open this up. Alright, I'm back. Got my lid. And like I said, I'm gonna add Italian as well. And I'm gonna add in the thick and zesty. I'm gonna whisk it to mix it up. Yeah, I'm a little under the weather today, so good as it's really good. Put the lid on it. I'm gonna let that sit there on the oven for probably 10-15 minutes until I see it begin thickening up. Then I'm gonna add the spaghetti. I'm gonna add the meatballs. So be right back with you. Alrighty, we're back. We're cooking it up. We're doing our baked spaghetti. There we go. Everything's looking good. Yeah, I went ahead and added some butter because, you know, butter makes everything better. So what I'm getting ready to do, and I really haven't done anything, I've got my tomato juice in there, and it's beginning to thicken up. And if the recipe calls for you to add some of your leftover spaghetti water that the spaghetti boiled in, yeah, I'm not adding that starch. So now I'm getting ready to add the meatballs to this. Ready to add these meatballs, and I'm just going to turn the bag up and let them go. There we go. I added over half, and then once again, this recipe is a lot of add and wait. Alrighty, now I'm getting ready to take them. And basically, all you're doing with the meatballs is the sauce is heating them through. So I'm going to scoop them out. Put them aside. Now I'm getting ready to add spaghetti to the sauce. And I'm going to coat the spaghetti with the sauce. And then I'm going to add my meatballs back. Add all the luscious gooey cheese. And at this time in the process, I'm going to go ahead and turn my oven on 350. Let me baby put those little meatballs in there, but I won't. You know I won't do that. I did forget. Girl. I'm gonna turn this down because yeah, it's getting dicey. I'm gonna put some things in the sink. Put this in there. I'm gonna put it all in there. It's not coming apart. Dump it in there. You just put them in. Cook all the spaghetti in the sauce. I'm getting ready to add my meatballs back. And you know, you can scoop them a little bit at a time, like this if you want to. But yeah, I'm getting ready to pick this pot up and dump this stuff in here.
In 1990, he joined the All-Star cast. Quincy Jones back on the block album, along with Barry White, James Ingram, and Elsa Barge on a #1 hit called The Secret Garden. He had been around Quincy. He had been around we don't wish. Maybe you recognize and ask you on that song.
My Secret Garden was the cut. So demanding, different. There we go. It could have put out of the ball. I could have. That is 6 pounds of meatballs. And I am making a spaghetti now. What? My kitchen, I'll clean it up. That's the thing with spaghetti, it does the sauce, it splits everywhere. Okay, there we go. There we go. I think it's mixed up. Now I'm not betting that every spoonful is going to give you a meatball. I'm not betting that. That's why I said by the next time I fix it, I will put the meatballs in half or maybe in 4s. You could even, if you wanted to, use ground meatballs. I was just going strictly by the recipe and it said meatballs. You could probably do ground beef, you know, and not do meatballs. But I am going to do a video to show you how to make homemade meatballs. It is time consuming, and labor intensive, but you feel so rewarded after. Okay, I think this is pretty good.
You know you've heard of love at first sight. Well, this is kind of that.
Alright. And I'm getting ready to add my cheese. I'm going to move this over out of the way. My oven's already preheating. Give me a second, and I'll be back with the cheese. Alright, I'm back, but I don't have the cheese. But I'm getting ready to get the cheese. You'll need any type of cheese you want. You have Parmesan, and I'm using a Mexican 5-blend cheese mix. Hold on a second. There it is, up close picture before it pops in the oven. And I have my oven set at 350. If you can see that. There's a messy pot. Yeah, look at it. There's a messy pot. There is the speckle of spaghetti all over my oven. Has to be clean. Look, this is the mess I made. Look at this. The cooking is real. The cooking is real. Look at my cabinet. Look at my countertops. Look at that. 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 Sink full of dishes. Well, we're not full of dishes that need to be washed. But there are dishes in the dish strainer. I need to put those up. Look at it. So it's okay. It is okay if you get messy while you are cooking. It is quite alright. As long as you clean it up. And what I'm going to do, I am going to go back and wipe all this off. I'm going to wipe this down right here and wipe it off. Because the reason why I'm doing that is I really don't want it to bake. And it will bake on there and be an extra mess for me to clean up. And I don't want the extra mess. Okay. There, I just wiped off the little edges around there. Wiped it off. Just wiped it off. Wiped off the edges. When I come back, my kitchen will be clean. And this will be done.